is the Dark Titan Expert Advisor version 1 for MT4. So today we will be reviewing this Expert Advisor, and it has very good winning rate and it will give you 80 to 90% profitable trade. So the Expert Advisor is based on dark inversion indicator and it uses scalping strategy. Let me show you the backtesting view and you will see this is how this Expert Advisor's user interface looks like. You can see the inversion indicator as well. It is giving us indications, buy and sell signals as well. So this Expert Advisor works on OddCAD, OddNZD and NZD CAD pair and try M1 time frame for optimal result, and you can use this Expert Advisor only on a large account size starting from $2,000. It is really necessary to have ECN broker or a low latency VPS to use this Expert Advisor, and I will share some of this Expert Advisor's backtesting performance. And here you can see the strategy tester report. It was backtested from 2006 to 2021, a very large time span. And here you can see with the maximal balance drawdown percentage of 8.70%, it has given us a huge amount of profit. It was backtested on the initial deposit amount $3,000 account. So here our profit amount is over $10,865.64. Here you can see the graph section. I'll share another screenshot of this Expert Advisor strategy tester report where it was tested on OddCAD pair, and here you can see that was the time span, same time span, and here our profit amount is $12,565.10, and here you can see a smooth steady graph with 9.16% of drawdown percentage. This Expert Advisor is performing really well, but you need to keep it in your mind that it works only on larger accounts like $2,000 or above. You can get this Expert Advisor from us for just $160. However, if you purchase this Expert Advisor from our Telegram channel directly, you will get additional 10% discount. To get the discount, join our official Telegram channel, YoForex Premium. This is the joining link, and I have given this joining link in the description section of this video. Check it out and join our channel and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such Expert Advisor and indicators review. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again. Additionally, we can track or unlock any Expert Advisor that you provide via our official website yoforex.net or our official Telegram channel YoForex Premium Support. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comment, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 will be higher than the regular. Thank you.